Solutions to some of the GMO problems. More people should be aware of what they are putting in their bodies and knowing that consuming GMOs have a greater risk of health problems. Whether it is from schools talking more about GMOs and the risk benefits in science class, or even just a grocery store putting a sign by GE Apple explaining why the apple doesn't brown as easily as a natural apple. Companies that sell GMO food should be required to put labels on all their products that contain GMOs. This will allow consumers to decide whether or not they want to put these types of foods into their bodies. One of the scare tactics big businesses and their lobbyists use is that labeling laws would cost consumers hundreds of extra dollars on the grocery bill. But according to the article from Richard Dahl, Stacy Malkin from the pro-labeling organization California Right to Know says there's no evidence to suggest this if the labeling measures were put in place. This fight boils down to money. GMO crops are cheaper to grow, yield a higher crop, and which translates into more profits. People have to understand that big business made the decision on what we're going to put in our bodies for us. We should be appalled by this. Do we really want to eat a product that can create its own insecticide and is immune to powerful herbicides? Animal products should also have labels to let the consumer know if the animal was fed GMO products or not. Vegetable, fruits, and grains are the biggest worry when it comes to ingesting GMO products. But meat products cannot be forgotten. Through secondary exposure, toxins have been found to be transmitted to humans through consumption of these products, according to Dahl. It'll be much harder to regulate what ranchers and livestock companies feed their animals, so in this case, a total ban on GMO product fed to livestock should be put in place.